To check overnight stock prices on Webull, begin by opening the Webull app on your device or accessing it through the website. Once logged in, navigate to the watchlist or stock search bar at the top of the screen. You can manually enter the stock's ticker symbol or browse through your watchlist to find the stock you're interested in. After selecting the stock, you will land on the stock's detail page. Here, you can view various information about the stock, including its current price, historical performance, and more. To see the overnight stock price, scroll down to find the price data section. Look for the After Hours Trading section, which displays the stock's price movement after the regular trading hours. If you want a more detailed view, tap on the price chart. This chart provides insights into the price fluctuations during after hours, which generally runs from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also switch to the Historical Data tab, where you can specify different timeframes and get a clearer picture of overnight changes. Finally, be sure to check any news or updates that might have affected the stock's price overnight. The news feed can provide context for any significant price movements. With these steps, you will be able to effectively see and understand overnight stock prices using Webull.